Viruses. The human mind has always been fascinated with the concepts of largest and smallest. For mathematicians, these are infinity and zero. For physicists, the ever-expanding universe and subatomic particles. Biologists have a special feeling for whales and redwood trees, each of which has a grandeur all its own. At the other pole are the smallest of all living things, the viruses. Viruses populate the world between the living and the non-living, the molecules that can duplicate themselves and the ones that cannot. Inherent in the organization and properties of viruses are many of the secrets of life and life processes. All life forms employ two categories of chemicals, one that stores information and a second that acts based on that information to duplicate the organism. The information stored in a living entity provides a plan or blueprint to carry out the organism's life functions and to pass a nearly exact duplicate of the plan to the next generation. Consider the smallest of viruses, the viroids, which duplicate themselves in plants and, in so doing, cause serious plant diseases. The simplest viroid contains only 240 bits of information, about 10 million times less than the human information base. These 240 bits are arranged on a circular chromosome and contain a set of signals that permit the molecule to duplicate itself. The replication of this viroid must occur within a plant cell because the host cell contributes all the components needed for the viroid chromosome to make copies of itself. Indeed, all viruses can duplicate themselves only inside cells because they require significant contributions from their hosts. But because different viruses take different things from their hosts, there is a great diversity in both viruses and the toll they exact, that is, the diseases they cause. The diseases caused by viruses have had an enormous impact upon human beings. The existence of these parasites has shaped the evolution of plant and animal hosts and played a significant role in who we are today. Viral diseases, moreover, have been important events in our history. For example, it is unlikely that a small band of Spanish soldiers in Mexico could have defeated the Amerindians in 1520 in the absence of a raging smallpox epidemic brought inadvertently to the New World by the soldiers themselves. On the other hand, there has not been a single case, barring lab accidents, of smallpox in the world since October 1977. There is every reason to believe that an intensive vaccination program has now eliminated a disease that had a 2,000-year recorded history. At the opposite extreme of our understanding and control, the present-day epidemic of AIDS, which is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, is an extraordinary puzzle that will be with us for many years to come. Clearly, the medical consequences of virus infections remain an important reason to study these organisms. And that is viruses. Have a great day.